Define the sketch. Select this top plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse this horizontal and click on swap. OK. Select the circle command. Create the circles. Now give the dimensions. Select this outer circle. This radius is 9.5. Check this dimension. It should be a radius 9.5. This is 9.5. 9.5. Select this outer circle. This radius is 25. Select the circle. Change radius to diameter. Its diameter is 39. This one is 11. This is also 11. 11. Select this horizontal axis and this circle center point. It is 70. Select vertical axis and this circle center point. It is 70. Select a line. Select center point and this circle center point. Convert this line as a construction. This length is 135. Select this inclined line and this vertical axis line. This angle is 120. Select bi-tangent line. Select this outer circle and this outer circle. Select outer circles. Now trim the unwanted lines. Trim this line. Convert this circle as a construction. Select corner option. Select this 2 inclined line. This radius is 20. This radius 40. This is 50. Click on exit workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 1. Click on pad. Select mirror extend. Its length is 15 mm. Preview. OK. Define sketch. Insert new plane. Select plane. Select this top plane. Offset distance is 15. Preview and OK. Hide these planes. Select plane 1. Position sketch. OK. Select 3D project element. Project these circles. Project these lines. Select circle. Create circle from center point. This radius is 25. Its dia is 50. Hide this part body. Select circle. Create 3 circles. Give the dimensions. Change diameter to radius. This radius is 13.5. 13.5. This is also 13.5. Select this circle and this circle. Right click. Select concentricity. 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 Select these lines. Convert this line as constructions. Select line command. Create a line. Select this line, this construction line, parallel, parallel. This length is 4 mm. Four, parallel, 4, 4 mm. Delete this tangency. This 4. Select this tangency. Delete. This 4. Select quick trim option. Trim these unwanted circles. Select these circles. Convert this circle as a constructions. Exit workbench. Hide this part body and define. Select sketch 2. Select pocket. Pocket depth is 10 mm. Preview and OK. Select edge fillet. Select inside edges. total 12 elements. Radius is 2 mm. Preview and OK. Define part body. Select pocket 1 and edge fillet 1. Click on mirror. Yes. Select this XY plane. Okay. Hide this plane one. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestion or queries or any questions related to this topic, please be comment.